ensure every electrical connection on a replacement HVAC component is mechanically sound and electrically clean before power is restored. Start by confirming power is locked out and tagged at the service disconnect and the equipment disconnect to prevent accidental energization. Strip insulation to the manufacturer recommended length and choose the correct gauge and type of conductor for the circuit. Undersized wire causes heating and failure. For screw or clamp terminals, torque to the specified value with a calibrated torque driver when available, and if no torque spec is given, use a snug plus a small quarter turn approach while avoiding overmangling the conductor. For crimped lugs, use a ratcheting crimper rated for the terminal and wire combination, and then inspect the crimp for proper indent and full conductor capture. A pull test of a few pounds confirms mechanical retention. For splices, use insulated mechanical connectors or solderless connectors designed for the environment, and seal exterior splices with heat shrink tubing plus adhesive-lined sleeves or approved silicone-filled kits in moisture-prone areas. Clean mating surfaces on bus bars and lug faces, and use an appropriate antioxidant on copper connections that will be exposed to air, but never on aluminum unless using compounds specified for aluminum to avoid galvanic problems. Common problems start with loose terminals, which produce arcing and heat. Tighten to spec and perform a tug test, then recheck torque after initial energization to account for settling. Another frequent issue is poor crimps or mixed crimping tools that do not match terminal dies, resulting in high resistance joints. Always match the ratcheting crimper die to the terminal manufacturer and inspect each crimp visually and mechanically. Finally, corrosion or moisture intrusion will degrade connections over time. Prevent this by using dielectric compounds appropriate to the conductor material, weatherproof connectors for outdoor or damp locations, and properly rated enclosure seals. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors for projects like reliable HVAC replacement and electrical work. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share tips, ask questions, and find local leads. And we help contractors find work through our platform.